In this video, I'm going to explain how to complete assignment 1.4, where you're asked to create a Python program that reads an integer, so it gets an integer from the user and prints that numbers or that integer's previous and next numbers. An example is below where it collects the number 179 and it obviously adds 1 to that and subtracts 1 from that, outputting the result as we go. So we need to, again, read in an integer, so that would tell me we need to use input again. So let's use an appropriate variable name, such as number or num if you like. Let's convert that into an integer to make sure, and then gather user input. Let's test it now. It's asking us to enter a number. It doesn't do anything because we haven't programmed it to yet. So what it needs to do is output some text, such as the next number for the number 179 is 180. So rather than simply printing our number plus 1, so if we enter 179, it prints 180, and our number minus 1, so if we enter 179, it's going to do 180 and 178. We also need to clean up our output so that it's a bit neater and there's some context to it with some text. Now we could do that a number of ways. I think the easiest way is to simply put in some text, such as the next number or the number. And then we could put a comma there. There are other ways you can do that, but that's probably going to be the easiest. And then another comma, and we've got to put is with some space around it, and then another comma, a number plus 1, and let's just test that before we go any further, make sure it works. If we put 179, the next number for the number 179 is 180, which matches our example output. So now all we need to do is copy and paste our code and change it to the previous number, obviously, and change it from plus to minus. Run our code, try 179 again, and that looks good to me. Let's see what the computer says. Computer says yes.